Alrighty, guys, welcome back to September 10th trading recap. As you guys can see on the charts, it shows 2 wins, but I actually lost $300 today. Oh my god, I'm really embarrassed to say that. It's not even the loss, you know. I mean, lose some, you win some, but so today was a really choppy day, right? And right here, I entered a trade and I moved my stop right here. Once we had this swing down and then back up, I moved my stop up and got stopped out right here just for it to push right back up. So that's amazing. Right here, same deal, bro. I enter right here. We come up, come back down. I move my stop right here. I get stopped out just barely. And then we go back lower. Like it could not have gotten any worse. Which really, I know how to prevent the second getting stopped out from happening. So I took these trades on the S&P 500 today. I took this first trade off of a bullish SMT. As you guys can see, like we were making lower lows at 950. But on here at 950, we're making a higher low. So yeah, today was like SMT, like mad land. So we'll go over my first trade. Pretty well. Got a pretty filthy SMT going on. And I entered long right here on the first break of structure during the SMT. And got stopped out right here because I moved my stop. And then on this one also, I got in right here, which usually for trades after 10, I'd usually like to only take my confluences and look at where price is at now. Like, dog. Look at that move. Look at that move. Insane. But yeah. So what I learned today is after 10 o'clock, the only valid break of structures that I'm going to take are ones on the 5-minute time frame. So we'll go back to the 5-minute and look for the first 5-minute break, and we'll enter on that. So that will be right here. Or an inverse fair value gap, because 5-minute inverse fair value gaps are a big deal. It'll be right here. So would have entered right there. Would have put my stop at the swing high. Take profit. Probably would have realistically been right here, which, as you guys can see, would have gotten hit. And I mean, I could have targeted London lows. But yeah, so now I'm only going to take trades after 10 on the 5-minute time frame because volatility's gone down a lot and 1-minute break of structures don't really mean too much. But from 9:30 to 10 o'clock, yeah, still 1-minute break of structures, guys. This morning my daily bias was bearish, which, as you guys can see, the day played out to be bearish because we had Asian session, London session manipulation, but no reversal. So we're looking to see a reversal. So for reversal to happen, we have to manipulate, which we did. So we manipulate and then we reverse. So market open. This right here was the draw on liquidity I wanted to take out. And I knew that we had to take that out. That's why I entered off of this. You guys can see this. SMT right here. Check this out. See, look. So, boom. Literally, like, insane SMTs happening. So yeah. So that trade would have ended up playing out. So I think I'm just gonna leave my stop loss where it starts, because I've been getting stopped out the past week basically because of that. So I need to adapt. And yeah. So anyways, we grabbed our liquidity, and now right here I was looking for shorts, and we finally got a short entry right there. And yeah, man. I had went ahead and logged off the charts because I had because I had got a bad entry up here. So I lost like 200 on that trade, and then I lost like another 100 on that trade. And yeah, it was bad. Not a great day. So yeah, I would have targeted the swing low here. I actually took this trade I didn't like take it, but I just drew it out like I was going to take it, you know? And obviously it plays out, which is so aggravating. It turned into a huge move too. Just massive. Yeah, but now we've taken out all these lows. So really we're retracing pretty nicely. And give us some more time to we might gun for these equal lows down here actually. Since today was such a big red day, tomorrow we may come for those equal lows. Let's keep that draw. But yeah, guys, that was today's trade recap. Ooh, my KillTech merch came in. Check out the hoodie. Two-sided, so it's got camo. It's reversible, so yeah. Zipper gets like caught right here. It's like supposed to. And sometimes to deal with. Well, it's being really aggravating, but you guys get the point. It'll flip to camo on the other side, which looks cool. And you know, on the front you got KillTech. Pretty cool. Yeah. But that was today's trading recap. Lost $300, but learned a good lesson. And really, I didn't even take bad trades today. I just moved my stop, which I know not to do anymore. So, win some, you lose some, you live and you learn. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's trading recap.